Okay, hello, hello, hello. Yes. Okay, so ito yung financial calculator. Actually, available to sa iPhone. I don't know. I think sa ano din naman sa Android, no? Um, I even bought this kasi parang 200 something lang and feeling ko ang laki ng maitutulong nito sa akin. Parang nakakahiya naman siya gumawa nung app. Kasi ang laki talagang tulong nito, no? So hanapin niyo siya sa inyong phone sa App Store, Financial Calculator, FinCalc. O, tapos, ganito itsura, yan, yung nakalagay dyan, yan, totoo, yan, yung logo na yan. Tapos parang 200 something, wala pang 500 yung app. No? So, supportahan yung gumawa nito. No? So, available siya sa iPad. Pati, yan, nandiyan pala, kasama siya sa Android din siya. Tapos, if you don't wanna pay for it, okay din lang kasi, I mean, ang difference lang talaga, just to tell you, ang difference lang naman talaga ng paid at saka hindi paid is that yung paid, walang ad. Okay? So, yun. But I like it very much. No? So, makita nyo, yan lahat, no? But I will focus first on TVM calculator because that's our topic. So, tingin nyo sa TVM calculator. So, yan, no? May mode, end, or beginning. So, usually, end tayo dyan. And then, ganito din sa ganito rin guys sa ating uh, uh, iPhone, no? Sorry, sa ating phone. Ganun din sa ating Android, whatever, iPad. So let's say, for example, so ang tanong dito, like how many, so what is the present value? So hindi natin alam to present value, di ba? And then ang mangyayari is that we will make 1,000 pesos na payment. So pag nagbabayad tayo, negative kasi we're paying. So it's leaving our coffers. So nagbabayad tayo, that's why it's negative, okay? And then the annual rate, let's say the annual rate is 12%. Okay, and then how many times will we do it? Let's say 60 months monthly compounding. Kahit naman yan ano no. Let's say ito annual rate no, pwedeng annual compounding. Pero pag ginawa mo siyang monthly, magko-compute na siya ng sarili niya. No? Ganun yun. And then if you want to know like ito na yun no, what is the future value? Click mo lang yung future value. Okay, so yun yung value niya. So nagbabayad ka ng 1,000, 12% yung annual rate for 60 periods. At the end of the 60 periods, 60 monthly periods, so that means 5 years, 81,000 yun sa future value, okay? So future value kasi yun yung value niya sa 5 years. Now, if you don't want that and you want the present value, which is the year 0, I mean, the P equals 0, so the value of that is 44,955. So ano sabihin nito? Like, if this is a bond, if this is a bond, and it's paying you 1,000 pesos monthly for 60 months, right? Annual rate is 12%. How much is the value of that investment that pays you 1,000 pesos monthly for 60 months? And, 12% yung annual rate. The answer is 44,955. So if you can buy that bond or that investment lower than that, then you are returning more than 12%. If you are paying higher than that, then you are returning less than 12%. So parang yun yung break-even value mo, 44,955.04. I hope that's clear. So ganun siya, simple lang. Okay, so halimbawa, ganito naman, no? Gusto mo makita how much should I invest monthly? I can get 200,000 future value in 60 months. Compounding yan. Okay, so blah blah. How many payments? So click mo yung payment. So yan, dapat pag maglalagay ka ng 2,448 a month o 49 a month, 12% for 60 months. So medyo malaki tong 12% ah. Although, just to be clear, ang ating stock market can actually earn more than that. Although sa ngayon, medyo flat tayo ngayon since the pandemic. Since 2018 actually, when during the time ng, ano bang tawag doon sa extra taxation natin dati, no? That one, no? The train law, mula nun, bagsak na talaga ang market. No? So, but once nakabawi na siya, usually 15 to 18% ang return ng market. Diba? Imagine? So, kung 18% lang yan, sabihin mo na 15% na lang, ilan ang payment mo lang na kailangan? 2,200 lang. And what is the value of that? Siyempre, hindi yan 200,000. No? The present value is 94,913. So it's like you're paying 94,913 today, okay? And in 60 months, it will be worth 200,000, something like that. Okay? So yan po yan ha. And then the advanced version, meron pa advanced version dito, yan, kung ilang periods, tas compounding monthly, tapos yung rate annually. So meron ganun, no? Like, sige, na natin. So let's say magbabayad ka ng 1,000 a month. The rate is, sabihin na natin yung rate ng bond rate, no? 6.75% annually. And you're going to do that for 10 years, okay? 120 monthly, and then you're compounding annually. So magkaiba, no? Ay, hindi, annually siya. Magko-compound ka, let's say quarterly. Ganyan, no? So, parang ganyan. So, what will be the value, future value? So, click mo lang yung future value. Ayan, 170,000 siya in 10 years. Ang liit naman. Pero 1,000 lang kasi ikaw eh. Okay? Now, kung gusto mong, gusto mo siya paabutin ng 1 million, o yan, no? 1 million, magsasave ka. Ilan lang dapat mong ilagay monthly? So, the answer is 5,869 for 10 years. Ganon. Okay? Di ba? Ang ganda. Yan po siya. Asan ba DCF dito? So, anyway, yun lang muna yung sa TVM. Right? Asan ba DCF? Alam ko na dito ang DCF. So, yeah, that's it muna. Thank you very much, NPV. Yan, na naman siya. So, itingnan nyo na lang, no? I-search nyo to. I-trial nyo siya para makikita nyo yung mga. Meron pa sa phone, makikita mo pa doon ang amortization. Kumbaga, pwede mo makita. Kasi nasa loan yun loan calculator. Para makikita mo yung baba, month 0, 1, 2, 3, hanggang umabot siya ng 120. Nakalagay siya. Yun ang kagandahan nun. Dito kasi hindi, dahil free site lang to eh. Pero kung bayad ka, pwede mo pwede mong i-export sa PDF, ganyan. Or Excel. Alright? So that's it. Thank you.